Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Sharma, belongs from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Recently, I have completed a 45 days highly insightful internship program from Evision Technoserve. This program was designed and structured in exceptionally well, which allows me to quickly and easily grasp a wide range of essential IT concepts. Especially, I gained practical knowledge and foundational skills in areas like networking, CCNA, ITIL, virtualization, and much more essential technologies. The guidance from the instructor is exceptionally well and truly facilitated in such a way that it is effective for a person with a not IT background as well. The LMS is designed in such a way that anyone can learn from anywhere at any point of time. I am pleased to inform you that recently I got placed at Deloitte with an annual package of 3 lakhs, and I am excited to contribute what I have learned at Evision into the organization. Thank you.